Depende na po.
Okay.
The topic is about direct and online marketing. Benefits of direct marketing. Benefits of direct marketing to customers: fun, convenient, and hassle-free. Siyempre, kapag ano po, pumupunta mismo yung nagbebenta, hindi na po magagalaw kayo sir, yung customers. Parang inaalok na po mismo yung kanilang products. Tsaka po, saves time. Siyempre nga po, convenient pa. Plus, larger merchandise selection. Sir, applicable po ba yan sa construction, sir? Kasi parang pag sir, pwede po pala kasi services, sir. Services. Kasi sir, comparison ng shopping, hindi ko pag pinalapan po company na pares nag-aalok, sir, pwede ko i-compare yung pros and cons ng both companies. Tapos, kung alin yung mas mag-benefit yung customers, yun po yung pipiliin nila. Order products for themselves or others. Benefits of direct marketing to companies. Mailing list for almost any market. Customized offers. Pwede po baguhin yung combo. Sila na po yung mag-a-adjust pa sa customers. Kung mag-benefit po yung or mag-profit yung company dun sa ginawa nilang offer, hindi mas mabuti po. Ongoing relationship with customers. Yan po, para po maintain yung relationship sa customers. Lagi po kino-contact, parang ina-update kung paano yung gagawin sa project or kung ano man. Time to achieve higher readership and response. Privacy. Yung pag po, yung para po sa close bidding, sir. Yung kayo lang po yung magkakilala nung hindi mo naka-open yung kung ano yung name mo, hindi lumalabas sa public. Trends leading to growth of direct marketing. Increasing number of marketing niches with district preferences.